Hi and welcome, I'm Daniel Berry and today I'm going to take you through how to play the main parts of the classic Michael Jackson hit Beat It. Before we go any further though, please can you do me a massive favour and click like and subscribe, as it helps me grow the channel and continue to bring you guitar tutorials. Right, so with all that out of the way, let's jump straight in. Right, so first off, if you want to play along with the original recording, it's tuned half a step down, or as we say in the UK, a semitone down. So it's in the key of E flat, so that means tuning the E half step down to E flat, A down to A flat, D down to D flat, G down to G flat, B down to B flat, and E down to E flat. So, but you know, for the sake of simplicity, I'm keeping the tuning as we are in standard tuning. All I'm saying is, if you want to play along with the Michael Jackson track, you've got to tune down by a semitone. Okay, so let's get straight into it. We're gonna strike the E string open, the E string, and then first finger, third fret, and then with the third finger we're going to slide up to the 7th fret from the 5th fret. So we've got that. One more time for you. And then with the first finger that's now available, we're going to play on the D string, 5th fret, third finger on the 7th fret, 5th string. So let's just put all of that together. We've got three. So open on the E string. So sliding from the 5th up to the 7th on the E string, and then down to the D string 5th fret, and then the A string 7th fret, and then while we're there we're going to slide up from the 7th on the A string up to the 9th. So we got back to the 7th, twice on the 5th. Right, so all together. Now we do that twice, but the next time around we only do it once. So we've got okay, so that's how you play the riff for Beat It. There's also this other cool bit that goes, and that is done all the way up here on the 12th by holding the strings 3, 2 and 1 down of a bar. Play them as one string, play them 3 together. And we're going to alternate between that and the 3rd finger. We're going to play up on the 14th, 12th, 13th, 14th on the D string. And we're going to go D string, okay, and then the other thing that happens in the song is we're going to go, what fret are we on? So 5, 6, 7th fret, 7th and 9th fret. We're going to have our first finger on the 7th fret of the A string and the 9th fret, sorry, the 9th fret of the D string. So we've got down, we're going to go down to the 5th fret. So just show you that up to the screen. So 7th on the A string, 9th on the D string. Now we're going to be playing them together. And then we're going to go down to the 3rd fret and then back up to the 5th fret. So we've got really slowly for you now. Okay, so really slow. And there we have it. Beat It by Michael Jackson. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please drop me a like and subscribe. Plus you can leave any suggestions for any future songs you'd like me to cover in the comments section below. Feel free to head on over to www.danielberryguitartutor.com and I'll see you again on the next video. Take care. Thanks for watching.